The ultimate guide to saving ink when printing. Printing can be a costly process, especially if you frequently print documents or images. One of the primary expenses associated with printing is the cost of ink. Printer ink can be expensive, but there are several steps you can take to save on ink and reduce your printing costs. Here at Shoppiverse PH, we will list down some tips and tricks to help you save printer ink. 1. Print in draft mode. If you are not certain that the document you are printing is final, one of the easiest ways to save ink is to print in draft mode. Most printers have a draft mode that uses less ink than the normal mode. Draft mode prints faster and uses less ink because it doesn't lay down as much ink on the page. However, the print quality may be slightly lower. If you're printing something that doesn't need to look perfect, such as a draft of a document, using draft mode can save you a significant amount of ink. 2. Proofread before printing. Proofreading your documents before printing can help you save ink by preventing unnecessary reprints. If you catch errors before you print, you won't have to waste ink and paper printing multiple copies. 3. Use grayscale. Some documents do not need to be printed in color because printing in color can be expensive. If you're printing something that doesn't require colors, such as a text document or a spreadsheet, switch to grayscale or black and white printing. Color ink is more expensive than black ink, and using it unnecessarily will drain your cartridges faster. 4. Print only what you need. Another way to save ink is to avoid printing unnecessary pages. Instead, use Print Preview to check the document before printing and select only the pages you need to print. This can help you save ink and paper, which is not only good for your wallet but also good for the environment. 5. Choose the right font. Believe it or not, some fonts use more ink than others. For example, bold or italicized fonts tend to use more ink than regular fonts. Choosing a simple font can save ink and also make your text easier to read. If you're not sure which font to use, try a few different ones and compare the ink usage. 6. Use eco-friendly settings. Many printers have eco-friendly settings that can help you save ink. Look for settings like Eco Mode or Toner Saver that reduce the amount of ink used during printing. These settings can help you save ink without sacrificing print quality. In summary, saving ink when using a printer is not only good for your wallet but also good for the environment. By following these tips, you can save ink and money while still producing high-quality prints. So, next time you're about to hit print, take a moment to consider how you can save ink and make your printing experience more eco-friendly. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.